Act as best script write and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 29. Canon gimbal camera leaked. Canon vs DJI Osmo Pocket 3. YouTube https www.youtube.com watch. Visual D9 FOF3WB transcript. Shiro. Canon is no stranger to pushing the boundaries of imaging technology, and it appears the company is once again setting its sights on a long-anticipated market, handheld gimbal cameras. Recent developments suggest that Canon is revisiting its plans to create a product that directly competes with DJI's popular Osmo Pocket series, specifically the Osmo Pocket 3 024. This latest iteration of Canon's handheld gimbal camera has surfaced in patent filings and design leaks, and if realized, it could provide an exciting new option for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. But what does this mean for the industry? And how does it compare to Canon's previous attempts? Let's take a deeper dive. Route 48. Music. Canon's exploration of handheld gimbal cameras dates back to at least 2021, when early patents and designs first appeared. Back then, the idea was to create a device with an interchangeable lens mount, a significant departure from DJI's fixed lens design. The initial speculation suggested that Canon could incorporate its EOSM system, allowing for the use of EFM lenses, a concept that had the potential to be groundbreaking. Eno 127. However, things have changed in the years since. The EOSM system has been officially discontinued, and Canon's RF mount, while widely embraced for its mirrorless cameras, has proven too large for a compact handheld device. As a result, Canon seems to have shifted its strategy, opting for a fixed zoom lens rather than an interchangeable one. 1.49. This design choice could make the camera more compact, user-friendly, and well-balanced for handheld music operation. According to reports from Asobinet and various patent leaks, Canon's latest design strongly resembles the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. While Canon initially experimented with interchangeable lenses, the newest version appears to feature a built-in zoom lens, Osmo 220. This could be a key differentiator as most gimbal cameras, including the Osmo Pocket series, have fixed focal-length lenses, limiting their versatility. A zoom lens would provide users with greater flexibility, allowing them to capture both wide-angle and telephoto shots without needing to physically move closer or farther from their subject. 0240. This could be a game-changer for vloggers, travel, filmmakers, and even amateur cinematographers who want a lightweight, stabilized camera without the limitations of a single focal length. Sensor size plays a crucial role in determining a camera's image quality, low light performance, and depth of field. 0306. A larger sensor allows for better light intake, improved dynamic range, and enhanced detail, all of which contribute to superior image output. Speculation suggests that Canon's handheld gimbal camera might feature a 1-in sensor similar to the one used in the Canon PowerShot VI10 and G7X Mark III, the 3. If this rumor proves true, it would position Canon's offering as a strong competitor against DJI's Osmo Pocket 3, which also features a 1-in sensor. 3.38. However, Canon's advantage would lie in its renowned color science, superior image processing, and decades of expertise in digital imaging. A larger sensor in a gimbal camera enhances image quality and ensures improved performance in challenging lighting conditions, making it an appealing option for vloggers, mobile filmmakers, and serious content creators looking for a compact, yet powerful video tool. 0409. DJI has dominated the handheld gimbal camera market for years, refining its Osmo Pocket lineup to cater to vloggers and mobile filmmakers. To carve out space in this competitive market, Canon would need to leverage its imaging expertise by incorporating its renowned DIGIC processor, superior optics, and exceptional color science. 432. A versatile zoom lens could also set Canon apart, providing users with more flexibility than DJI's fixed focal-length gimbal cameras without sacrificing image quality through digital zoom. Additionally, improving low-light performance with advanced sensor technology, better noise reduction, and optical image stabilization could give Canon an edge. 454. Ergonomics and user interface would be another critical factor. As DJI excels in seamless usability with touchscreen controls and smart tracking features, Canon would need to match or exceed this level of convenience. Lastly, competitive pricing will be essential as DJI's Osmo Pocket cameras are relatively affordable. To attract users, Canon must offer a compelling balance of features and cost, ensuring its handheld gimbal camera provides enough unique advantages to justify the investment. 0531. If Canon follows through with this latest design, it would mark a significant shift in its approach to portable video solutions. While Canon has historically focused on DSLR and mirrorless cameras, venturing into the handheld gimbal market could help the company reach a new segment of content creators who prioritize portability, stabilization, and ease of use. 0554. Canon's previous hesitation may have stemmed from the need to develop an entirely new ecosystem around a small stabilized camera. However, with advancements in compact sensor technology, AI-driven autofocus, and improved gimbal balancing, now may be the perfect time for Canon to re-enter the space. Despite the excitement surrounding Canon's rumored gimbal camera, several uncertainties remain. 0624. One major question is whether Canon will actually bring this product to market, as the company has explored similar designs in the past, but abandoned them before release. Another uncertainty is how Canon will position this camera within its existing lineup. Whether as a premium vlogging tool, a niche filmmaking device, or something entirely different. 0646. Additionally, its integration with Canon's ecosystem remains unclear. Features like wireless connectivity, compatibility with Canon software, and seamless editing workflows could be crucial selling points that determine the camera's success. Canon's rumored handheld gimbal camera has the potential to disrupt the market and offer a compelling alternative to DJI's Osmo Pocket series. 07.15. By leveraging its expertise in imaging technology, incorporating a versatile zoom lens, and optimizing low-light performance, Canon could create a truly exciting product for content creators. While it remains to be seen whether Canon will bring this design to production, one thing is clear: the demand for high-quality portable gimbal cameras is growing. 0737. If Canon can deliver a polished and well-thought-out product, it could capture a significant share of this rapidly expanding market. Now, all eyes are on Canon to see whether it will finally take the leap and bring its handheld gimbal camera to life. Could this be the beginning of a new era for Canon in the world of compact stabilized video cameras? Only time will tell. Harter 801. Music.